gonna make Mala Xiang Guo today, which is like dry hot pot.
Scallion steamed roll.
Yummy. It's done. This is our Mala Xiang Guo, or also known as dry hot pot.
Dry hot pot.
It's hot pot, but dry.
No water hot pot.
Steaming hot, and we also have those scallion buns steamed and ready instead of rice. Shall we dig in? Let's see. Ooh. The one is good.
It's good. Has a good scallion flavor.
Better than sweet buns. I'm gonna start with a piece of mushroom.
How's that?
Chewy and bouncy.
This is a beef bak chang.
I can feel the spice already. Woo, it's strong. But good, the flavor. This is a chicken wing. Let's try this.
Oh my god, this is good. How's that? The crispy outside still?
No, it's not crispy anymore. But it's got like a nice, coating.
I like the potato.
What do you think?
It's yummy. It's really yummy. The flavor is just perfect. Not too spicy. Too spicy, not too salty. But salty and spicy enough. Perfect.
Look at this bun. It's so big.
It's so savory.
It's very, very soft. So soft and fluffy. Going in for a slice of meat. At this point, I'm not sure if it's beef or lamb, but just gonna go for it.
I think it's lamb.
It's lamb. This lamb is so tender. Is it beef ball? Yeah. I love these beef balls.
I'm gonna try your chicken wings.
Okay.
It's tastier than just boil it and put it in hot.
Y'all. Cauliflower. Get my daily dose of veggies.
Cauliflower is really good for dry hot.
Well, what?
It can absorb all those tastes. It's still like crunchy.
The cauliflower is still crunchy. I thought it would be soggy after cooking it for so long, but it's still crunchy. This is beef. The beef is also yummy and tender. After a couple bites, the spice is starting to kick in.
I'm sweating now. Yeah. Can't stop.
Potato? Ooh, I love potatoes! They're my favorite. I have to have a potato dish every time. Look at this. Saucy potatoes.
Today I forgot.
It's okay. We already have so many ingredients. So the good thing about dry hot pot, and any kind of hot pot, is that you can throw any kind of like leftovers you have in the fridge and just toss them in the wok. Add the sauce, and you have dry hot pot.
Now I want to find some soup. I want to dip it.
There's no soup, it's dry.
So
It's spicy. Even for you?
it just slowly kick in. But yeah, still bearable.
Yeah. I can feel my eyes starting to sweat. That's the first place to sweat when I eat spicy stuff.
Here we go.
Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Ready? It's spicy.
Spicy hot. But yummy.
Yummy.
Just can't stop eating it. I like the mushroom.
It goes well with bun. It's such a yummy bun too. Thank you for watching.